Whynter FM 85G 85 quart portable fridge, AC 110 volt, DC 12 volt true freezer. If the two units mentioned above aren't size enough for you, then perhaps the Whynter FM 85G quart portable fridge may be better suited. This unit comes with a capacity of 85 quarts or 120 cans, making it perfect for those family weekend getaways. The temperature on the unit is able to be adjusted within a range of -8 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating a refrigerator and a freezer, this dual-use unit is great for freezing meats or storing those fresh fruits and vegetables. The unit is able to work in traditional home settings, as well as alternative home settings such as campers, RV, boats, trucks, and vans. For power, users have the ability to use AC or DC power. With the AC power, it operates with 110 volts, and with DC power, it operates with 12 to 24 volts. The unit is also able to operate on both power sources at the same time, using primarily AC, unless there is some power outage. If it happens that you go without power for a period of time, your items may remain cold for 24 to 48 hours, depending on the previous temperature. Within the package, customers receive one 8-feet AC power cord, one 10-feet DC power cord, 2 wire baskets, insulated lid, and insulated walls. Pros: extra large capacity, 120 cans, adjustable temperature, may remain cold without power for 24 hours. Cons: short power cord for such a big unit.